Would you rather slip on ice in front of your crush or sneeze uncontrollably during a romantic dinner?
Slip on the ice in front of my crush. Hopefully he helps me up.
Agreed. As someone who suffers from a medical condition where you sneeze if you're full, it's a real thing. Look it up. It is very embarrassing every time I go in my sneezing fits.
I would be too worried that I would sneeze and fart at the same time, and then it would just like ruin everything. That happens all the time to everyone. Let's just admit it.
No,
You know?
I don't think that's ever happened to me, Nat, but I love your vulnerability.